Oakley, you're choking me. Stop choking me. Just hold on.
We'll hold on to your shirt.
Here we go. Go hiking?
Ready.
So chilly. Mercy has a sweater on.
Daddy's gone.
Oakley has his long sleeve. Mercy, you gonna walk for a little bit? Okay. Look at that energy. This is why we're out here hiking.
Will they come to come and go potty with me?
That's not. I think it is. We decided to come to Eisenhower Park because we haven't been here in a while. And it's a gorgeous Good Friday.
I'm mad.
It's a beautiful place to think about our Lord and how much He loves us by being surrounded by His beautiful creation. The potty that we took Oakley to just now was closed for repairs. So we're going to the El Natural potty for our son. And then we'll begin our walk. I'm gonna be honest, I have to go too, but I'm gonna hold it because what are you doing over there, Oakley?
I don't know how to do that.
Alright, come here.
Mommy,
We'll help you with your button. Come over here.
well, I can do my button.
You got it? You did it. You did it. You did it. Hey!
Oh, look at that spiky cat.
Here, Mercy. Come on. We're going on the trail.
Spiky cat.
Ooh, don't touch it. It's so spiky.
You want to go on pavement or do you want to go on?
You mean on the dirt path?
Road less traveled.
Whatever's more scenic, I guess.
I'm guessing it is.
Okay.
Airplane!
For the big rock, be careful.
Over the big airplane!
Okay, I'm gonna beat you. Ready, set, go!
Let's go.
Get out of the way.
Hey, who's in there? Who's in the backpack?
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Here we go.
Get him, Mercy, get him.
Watch out. Keep working with it. Move over here. Out of the way.
Thank you. Daddy! Daddy!
Yeah, doggies.
I want a spicy cat. Daddy!
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you going to sleep? Oh. Is that a shortcut? We could use a shortcut.
Here, come over here. Let's get that glucose in our blood.
You ready for a break, Okie? Mm-hmm. Okay, sit on the rocks right there. Timber!
I want some of those.
Nice little toddler seat. Give her some.
Hard worker.
What's happening, Daddy?
We're going right.
I'm talking about with baby girl.
I wanted to go to the playground.
Here we go. Let's go.
She done throwing a fit?
Look at that big slide. There's a slide over there.
Ooh, this mulch is nice on the feet.
And do the bicycle when you're going uphill.
Oh no, it's easier going downhill.
You have to walk with a bicycle.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, we have to catch up to Daddy.
Alright, I was trying to put the water bottle away. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on. Oh shoot. I don't think I can get up. Oh my gosh. Oakley, you're choking me. Stop choking me. Just hold on.
We'll hold on to your shirt.
Here we go. I'm smiling on the outside, screaming on the inside.
What do you think did that?
What made a big mess?
What made the mess?
I don't know.
Oink, oink, oink.
A pig.
Yep, wild pigs. Get all that mess.
Because they're like mud.
Because they want some roots.
They're looking for food.
Mommy, I bought something for you. The little